What is up, people of YouTube? Good morning from Shillong, Meghalaya. Welcome to day 9. So, as I told you, we are in Meghalaya. So, yesterday, we are in Guwahati. So, we packed my bike and I have sent it to Chennai. So, evening he have sent me the packed bike photos. So, he have packed it really well. But I'm not sure while he's transporting from here till there. So, if it is if that bike is transferring with the clothes or some light goods, then the bike will be safe. If it is transferring with some hard goods, there might be a chances of getting damage. Today's date is January 1st. A happy and prosperous new year to all of you people. I hope all your dreams come true. And so today's plan is today we'll be going to double decker living root bridge in Meghalaya. So that is almost in Cherrapunji. So in the middle we'll be going to ML5 something, some hotel is there. So we are planning to go there, have our breakfast and lunch over there, because right now the time is 10 o'clock almost. So yeah. So night we ordered food from Domino's somewhere around at 9:30 because all the restaurants are closed, and at this place also, at 9 o'clock only. All the restaurants are closed, only Domino's is open in Swiggy and Zomato as well. So here also, in this hotel also, that guy is, he didn't provide us any food. He was like, sir, most of the food is over, something like that. So we thought we'll order it in online. So, and we had some pizza and pizza mein inkote enta namama pasta. Pizza and pasta. We had pizza and pasta. So it's fine. Of course, we know the standards of Domino's, right? It's good. And that's all. So the update is ML05 is right now it's closed. It will be open somewhere around at 11:30. So right now we are a bit hungry. So we came to this hotel in the middle of Living Root Bridge. And one more update is, double decker Living Root Bridge is also temporarily closed because of this COVID-19. That's what it's written in Google. But what we thought is most of the places, not only in Meghalaya, in most of the states also, in Google it is showing it's temporarily closed. But when we go there, you'll get a chance to visit that place. So we have decided to go to the double decker Living Root Bridge. If we get a parking over there, we'll leave our car over there near double decker Living Root Bridge, and we'll pack the bags for one day. Each and everyone will pack the bags for one day, because one day we'll be trekking down, and we'll be staying there today's night if it is open, and tomorrow morning we'll trek back, and depends on the time when we come up. So based on that we'll be going to Dwaki Lake as well. Dwaki Lake is one of the beautiful places to visit in Meghalaya. So you have seen this, right? So in this hotel it looks like that. These are kind of places where you sit and have photo session is going on. So let's see what we have got here. way to double-decker road bridge. I've seen a beautiful landscape, so I thought I'll show it to you people as well. It's cool, like, no, it's really nice. So right now we are going to double-decker road bridge in Cherrapunji. So double-decker road bridge in Cherrapunji. So in the middle, I don't know what people call these hills as, but it's quite beautiful. Just have a look from the rear camera. Yeah, it's beautiful, but like, you know, just the landscape you can see, right? You can see just the landscape. It's nice. You can get some pictures over here, maybe. But without a drone also you get a beautiful drone shot. Yeah. Kids are waiting. It looks like a forest fire on the way to Living Road Bridge. So right now the update is I didn't vlog much today because I'm driving this vehicle. Here the problem is we went to another place, like which it is showing double-decker road bridge, but that is not the place. If you are planning to come to double-decker road bridge, you need to come to this village called Tairna karke there is one village. So it's better to come from Cherrapunji, like, you know, it will navigate you from Cherrapunji to Tairna village. So come here and you can go to the dead end. You can get to trek for 3,500 like, you know, 500 steps or so, and you can reach that place. So update from our side is we have reached here. Actually we have reached to some second point, like if the double-decker road bridge is here, there are two routes, you know, one is from Cherrapunji and one is like this. So like this route, the second way is, kind of wrong route, but you need to come through Tairna village and you need to take the steps. So that is the way, but just search it in Google Maps, double decker road bridge, it will navigate to some other place. Just remember this name, Tairna. I'll mention the name also here. So come here and then only you can see. So here our update is, we thought of going there, and we'll start trek right now, and Shamko will be reaching there, but because of COVID-19, people are not allowing any tourist to stay down. Like, you can't stay for one night near the Living Road Bridge. You need to go in the morning and return back in the evening. So that is how it goes. That is how the situation is right now in Meghalaya. So tomorrow morning we are planning to do that. Tomorrow morning we are planning to go down and planning to come back. And third is our flight. So tomorrow is second, today is first. So let's see, we are searching for some homestays. If some homestays are available here, then yeah, we'll stay here. First of all, and while you're coming to this place, just try to get some cash. Keep some liquid cash with you, because here no online transactions. Here barely you get signals. So get some cash and maintain some liquid cash with you, so that in the middle also, while you're trekking down, you can have some food, like some snacks, some water bottles and all. So right now we don't have cash with us, so we are going to Cherrapunji right now. It's somewhere around 11 kilometers from the Living Road Bridge. So we are traveling 11 kilometers back to get some fuel, to get some money, to get some cash, like liquid cash. So in the middle, like while we are going to Living Road Bridge, we have skipped a lot of places, a lot of beautiful landscape. So we have decided to stop in the middle, so just like a pit stop. And one more thing is, if you are planning to come to Meghalaya also, you got to know a couple of things, like which place to go and all these things, because here people are not that welcoming to you. I'll see, still 2 more days to go. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow evening is my flight. So tomorrow, let's see how the experience goes. And tomorrow morning I need to go all the way down, and roads are not that good. It's really worst. So I tomorrow will go down, and we'll explore the Living Road Bridge tomorrow. And yeah, I think we'll go right now. We'll go to Cherrapunji and we'll get some liquid cash, and we'll fill the fuel. And most probably the Dwaki Lake is skipped, because from Dwaki Lake it is somewhere around 6 hours to Guwahati. So 6 hours means on third is our flight. So third, going and checking out Dwaki Lake, and traveling all the way back to Guwahati, and delivering the car to them, and getting back to airport is quite impossible. So it seems impossible. So it's not yet decided. Tomorrow we'll be going to double decker road bridge, and after trekking up, then we'll decide where to go and all. If I'm not that visible, I'm sorry about that. But here the update is right now the time is somewhere around 5 o'clock, 5:15. But finally, after really long time, after really long search, we have got a room. We have got a homestay, so that is also um, that's also quite expensive and all, but yeah, it's fine. Uddu. So after waiting for approximately 1 hour or so, we got some places to sit. So again, it takes some half an hour to place the order, and it takes some half an hour to order to reach this place. I don't know why this Chirapunji place is literally very very empty. You don't get an ATM as well. This is New Year time. A lot of people are on the roads only with their cars, with their family and all. But I don't even understand. But what people do over here. ఫస్ట్ ఇస్తాను లేట్ అయిపోతుంది వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే కంటెంట్ బట్టి ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చారు. We finished our dinner, and this is the homestay which we are staying in. It's nice, but yeah, it's really cold. The temperature is in single digit. So that's all for today. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share it across, and subscribe. Chalo, take care, bye bye, peace. And ultimately we have reached double decker road bridge. Here we go. This is the top one and that is the bottom one. So this is the lake, and here is a small waterfall, and we have a lot of fishes here.